big thanks to Opequon Motors in Martinsburg, West Virginia, for letting me film their vehicles today. As you can see, they have a good selection of GMC, Buick, and Cadillac vehicles, and they also have a nice selection of good quality pre-owned vehicles. They are located at 838 East Moeller Ave in Martinsburg, West Virginia. Feel free to check out their website by clicking the link below in the description. Hey GMC fans, here we have the all-new 2015 Yukon. As you can see, this one has a black exterior, a chrome grille, and alloy rims. Tire sizes are 285, 45 R22s. This is the Denali. Chrome outlining around the handles on the sides there. You have your smart key access system button. This one's priced at $75,705. As you can see, it has remote keyless entry. And remote start. Let's go ahead and get inside and start it up from the inside. This one has the black exterior, and you have a black leather interior with white stitching, perforated leather. Bose sound system. Smart key access. So just set the key fob down, apply your foot to the brake, and push your push button ignition to start. You have a 4-spoke steering wheel. This one's brand new with 90 miles, so it's been test driven a few times. .62 V8. Backup camera with guidance. Your audio controls there, climate controls there, dual zone climate controls. Dash is a nice soft to the touch material with stitching. This one has OnStar, sunroof. And looking in the back, it has the entertainment system, Denali engraved into the headrests, 2 USB ports, area of storage, a couple of cup holders there, large center console, a couple of USB ports over there, and an SD reader, and you have various areas of storage in there. Soft to the touch armrests. This is real wood, not simulated. Nice real wood finish. And also over there, nice polished solid wood finish. 4-wheel drive controls, exterior lighting controls, info display controls, daytime running lamps. Again, the real wood back here. And this is all soft to the touch, except for this little piece here. Everything else is soft to the touch. Again, you have the entertainment system here. Plastic still on the screen. Couple of rear power outlets. SD reader, USB port, audio hookups, and climate controls here for the rear passengers. Third row seating. Third row passengers have about average for a third row seater. Average amount of legroom, not too bad. Cup holders on each side in the rear. Speakers in the back of the front seats. Chrome handles all the way around on the inside. Power lift gate, and you have the power fold down seats. Very nice feature when you have to haul stuff. It saves you from having to go back and forth. Very nice feature. Step in this side over here. You have chrome outlining around the windows. Running boards with chrome outlining along the exterior of them. Again, the chrome Denali plating with plastic still on it. You have the brushed chrome, dark brushed chrome, and brushed chrome here. All soft to the touch, as I mentioned, and also the real wood over here. Factory GMC mats, nice rubber mats. Glove box there. Let's go ahead and take a look under the hood. Rubber protector here to protect from dirt getting piled up in here. Again, the 6.2 V8, producing about 425 horsepower. Same engine that's in the Cadillac Escalade. Don't forget to grab your key fob on the way out. But there you go. That's the startup tour and review of the all-new 2015 GMC Yukon XL Denali 4-wheel drive. Thanks for watching. Check out my other videos.